Learn how to make this cool scrap rainbow pillow. It may look complicated, but it's actually very simple to make. All you need is some fabric scraps in a rainbow of colors, and you can get started. You can download the free pattern if you follow the link in the description below, and follow along with the step-by-step instructions. So we'll start with the red scraps. Start playing around with the scraps and lay them out to create a collage. The overall shape of the scrap layout does not matter right now, but it should be long enough for your pillow pattern to fit on top. Be sure to keep in mind that there will be some overlap between the pieces due to seam allowance. One by one, sew your scrap pieces together. Now it's time to cut out your pattern piece from the scraps. Place your pattern piece on top of your scrap layout and cut it out. If you want something that has all those cool looking diagonals, rotate your pattern piece on top of your scrap layout. This is what makes the final pillow look a little bit more complex, even though it's just a bunch of rectangles sewn together. You want to repeat this same process for the rest of the colors. So the orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Make your scrap collage, sew it together, and then cut out the pattern. Once you have all of your colored slices, you want to sew them together. Line them up in rainbow order, and sew each of them together on the long side. Now you want to fold your pillow in half with right sides together, and then sew the side and bottom, leaving a gap for turning and stuffing the pillow. Now you want to turn the pillow to the right side, and then stuff it. You can use whatever you like to stuff your pillow. I like to use leftover fabric scraps, but it does tend to make the pillow more lumpy than it otherwise would be. So if you don't like that, you can always use polyfill or another type of more traditional stuffing material. After your pillow is all filled up, you want to hand sew the gap closed. And now you're finished. You have a rainbow throw pillow to decorate your home.